Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix YouTube not showing full screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up YouTube app. Then I'm gonna open up some YouTube video and it start playing, and let's say I want to turn it full screen. I can rotate my device at the landscape mode, and as you can see now I'm not able to turn it to the full screen. If you got the same issue at your device, you may try to use the next solution. Just tap once at the video to show up tools, and then just hit at that rectangle icon, just like that. As you can see, video is now playing in the full screen mode. So in any time you can hit right here again and then select or tap at that rectangle icon to move it to that mode. Also, if you want to completely fix the problem and if you want to be able to go to the full screen mode by rotating your device just like that, there is a solution for you. Just swipe down from the top right corner to open up the control center, and then make sure that this portrait lock mode icon toggled off. Now it's highlighted, that means that this is toggled on. Just tap right here once and it says that portrait orientation lock turned off. Now you can move on to the YouTube, and then if you turn your device in landscape mode, as you can see, now it works. So guys, now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.